welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another hair review on AYIYIHAIR. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but I know I've worked with them before. But it's AYIYI. It's AYIYI. And this is how the bag looks. Summertime, you guys know summertime is coming up. It's getting hot. Well, for me as a New Yorker. So I think it's nice to, you know, want to change up your look. Okay. And I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. This is like a first unboxing. Like I don't even know how this wig looks. Ooh. So it comes in this. Don't need that. Ooh. Oh, and it comes in a bag. They gave me like a whole bunch of goodies, which I love. They got me eyelashes. I think I have an edge tie in here. Let me see what they sent me. Oh, they sent me an edge tie with a pink bow on it. I have an edge brush. I got some lashes. Let me see how these lashes is looking. Okay, they're not super like full, but they're there. And I have a clip. And they sent me this cute marble clip. So this is so cute. Let me just see how it looks in my hair. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. I love it. It's so adorable. So yeah, they sent me this clip. So this wig has 2 clips on the side, 2 large clips actually, which I love. I love a good large clip. It has a large clip in the back. It has the regular, you know, wig straps that come with the wig. I'm gonna unstrap it right now to show you guys. I'm gonna strap that together because I'm gonna put it on my head and try it on. It also comes with an additional strap, which is really good. AYIYIHAIR sent me a 4x4 lace closure 14-inch glueless 13x4 Peekaboo highlight red color transparent lace human hair bob wig. 4x4, so it's 4 inches here, 4-inch parting. And they said it's glueless, which I really believe because usually when a wig is glueless, the clips are like right there. So I know that it's glueless. I can just put it on and take it off, and it has the red in the back, which I think is so pretty and dope. First things first, you guys already know what I do is I'm going to tint the lace. And I'm going to be using Wig Extensions Lace Tint Spray. So I'm going to tint the lace first things first. And I'm going to blow dry that because it's kind of messy. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this wig. Ooh. This is also a glueless wig, so it looks like I don't have to glue it on or anything. Okay. Okay, so now that this is dry, let's try this wig on and see how she's looking. Ooh. I'm just adjusting the clips. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. Wow, I love the color. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. And the hair straight off the bat is just like so straight with no heat added to it or anything. Like, look how beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, it's so lightweight. Like, it doesn't even feel like I have a wig on. And I think that's really important when it comes to wearing a wig in 2023. Because, you know, I came from a time where it felt like I had on a heavy wig, whether it was synthetic or human. But now the wigs nowadays are just so lightweight. And y'all, like, it doesn't even feel like I have a wig on. Like, I love it. I don't know if I love the length. I feel like it's a little too long. And I'm used to like short bobs, not really like super long bobs, but let's see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut the lace. So I'm just gonna put these clips here. Okay, and you guys already know I leave like 1 inch of lace on. So I leave like about 1 inch of lace on my wigs. You guys already know that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be using, so I'm not going to use glue on this wig because it's a glueless wig and I want to kind of give it that glueless effect. I'm going to be using Wig Dealer's Luxury Hair Care Melting Spray, and it melts the lace into the skin and everything like that. So I'm just going to flip this up. We'll push this back a little bit. And I'm not going to spray it directly on my head. I'm going to spray it on this brush because it's very, very like heavy product. And then I'm going to actually then I'll apply it to my head. So we'll do it like that. And I just put it all over the area where I'm going to put the lace on. And I'm just going to blow that area a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to apply the lace to that area and blow dry it. Now I'm just going to slay these edges and tie them down. As you can see, look how natural that looks. Like even if it's a closure, you would think, oh, it's a closure. It still gives that straight out of the scalp effect. See? Straight out of the scalp effect. Okay. So I'm going to be using Esha's Daily Edge Lace Mousse. You know, I shake it up, shake it up, shake them. And it's a very messy product, so you just got to be very gentle with it. Okay, and I'm going to slay these edges, child. Came out, you guys. OMG, she is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, I have genders for my wig. This is a she. Absolutely gorgeous. Took heat very well. As you can see, it's nice. I curled the ends because it was really like a straight, which was like a look too. I like that, but I kind of wanted it to get like a little bump, so I bumped it. The edges came out great. The hairline is super natural for it to be a closure. And then you can see the little bit of red, which is what I like. So when the wind blows, it's like, oh, you got red in your hair? What? You know, like you walk in, somebody like, wait, you got red? Oh, that's red. Yep. It's a nice little, you know, a little streak of red in the back, which I really like. This is how she looks from the back. As you can see, it's just super soft. This is really like a cute wig. This is gonna be like another summer wig for me. So now I'm excited because I get to like buy red stuff. I mean, you don't have to wear red with it. I think it would actually look kind of dope if you wore like a different color with it. But me, I'm such a matchy person that I want to buy like some cute red rompers, or, and you know, like 4th of July, you know, red, white, and blue. So I definitely want to wear a lot more red stuff because I'm such a pink girl. So I really feel like Red Ruby the Sleeze. So I'm in my Red Ruby the Sleeze era. Shop AYIYIHAIR if you're interested. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.